buddy? What? What's going on? Hey everybody, Prepper Nurse 1 here. Today is Tuesday, October 29th, 2019. It is actually my twin's birthday today. So, alright, I've gotten a few packages in the mail here. Alright, so what we're going to do, I got these two here. I got this one and this one, and Mom jumped the gun because she had to see what was in it, freaking nosy. I told her we're going to wait and see what it was. We're going to open it together, but apparently that's not going to be the case because she jumped the gun. Alright, so what we're going to do is, the bottom one, you can see it says Garden Towers, and I'll show you that it's a vertical grow tower. So a year-round vertical garden system, stackable and rotatable. Towers available with 30 to 54 planting pockets. Oh, thank you, Mom. Yep. So look, you guys, I got to show you. She just came out. I even got to open them for her.
Darn right.
Have a seat. Have a seat there, woman.
I am.
And we'll see what's going on here. All right. So we're going to open up this one because I have no idea what's in this one. So let's do this. I know, buddy. Let's see. Alright, let's see. Alright, this one here, I know what this is. This is for, I'll show you guys. It's again for an aquaponic system. It's grow spots where, and it's just yeah, this is all part of that, it's got the tubes in there and everything else, and that's how you set up for the growing system. So that's what that one is. So set that one to the side. So this is all for part of the aquaponic system. All right, so let's open up this one. Okay. Now this one here, this is kind of neat. It's just the grow tower. So you're basically having your thing set like that, and then you stack them up, and it's a stackable thing where you can grow, which is pretty cool actually. Actually, they got a picture of how it looks in here. Let's see. But yeah, just it's got the directions on how to do it and everything like that. So let's take a look. Let's see if we can see what a completed one in here looks like, if they have that in here. Oh yeah, okay. So that's what it will look like once it's all in and up. So that's kind of neat. That's going to be pretty cool. It's a hydroponic tower is what that one is, which is very cool. Alright, so put that one back together. Alright, now we'll go to the one that Mom jumped the gun on because she was too nosy and couldn't wait.
That's right.
To see what was in there. So we're gonna show Mom. Just don't. She's trying to hide it, guys, but there it is, right there. See how she is. All right. So, all right. Let's see what we got here. So it said heavy, and they are. Oh my God! It's creamy butter is what this is. This is long-term. This is red feather, pure creamy butter. I will show you guys this. Holy crap!
Oh man.
Okay, guys. That's what a can of it looks like. Apparently I have a case.
Cases.
Two, I don't know, I think the other one is the same. We'll have to look and see. But yeah, that's 12 ounces of pure creamy butter. So let's see, it's 2, 4, 6, 12, 24 in a case. And there are 2 cases in there, so there's 48. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is wild. Okay, so now we'll look at the other one. And this is this one here that I put on a 4-wheeler. And please, for those of you that gave me such a hard time, notice that the 4-wheeler is covered up now with a tarp. And I get it, guys. You know, the ones that said it, I get it. Alright, and this is butter, guys, that the other one, I think this is the same, probably. I don't know. But this is butter that has a 5-year shelf life and does not have to be refrigerated. Yep, same thing. 2 more cases. 2 more cases of the same thing. Unbelievable. That's, what, 48 in a case? Right? So it's 96 in that case and 96 in this case. Wow. Okay, so now you guys know what came. That is wild. Okay, so unbelievable, guys. Just absolutely unbelievable. It is. The generosity of people is unbelievably amazing. I knew the butter was coming. I didn't realize it was going to be that much butter, but that's cool. I'm just like, wow, I didn't realize. Yeah, very, very grateful. But I'm going to show you the outside of the box again here. It's pure Red Feather brand creamy butter. Exported. It's from New Zealand. And then there has the number on there. It says store in a cool place. So that is not an issue. That will go in the shop for sure. But again, I'm going to lift that up so you guys can see. Well, actually, I can just pull a can out. So there's a can of the pure creamy butter. It's a 12-ounce can. Let's see. On the bottom it says 24, so that's good till 2024 according to, so it's, you know, it's 5 years, 6 years, no, 5 years. But yeah, so there's that. Unbelievable. That is like so cool. That is unbelievable. So again, to the individual that sent this out to me, thank you so much. You have no idea. This is awesome here to get us started with our aquaponics system. There's something else coming too, guys, that I know is coming, and when it gets here I will show you. But it's just it's amazing. It is absolutely amazing. So, but yeah, crazy stuff. So anyway, it's good though. Good. It's awesome. So I'm going to take you guys out here. Actually, we're going to go. Say bye, Ma.
Bye.
I'm going to take you out here. So obviously today's the kid's birthday. They just turned 18. So I went down, dropped Eddie off at his mom's. He's going to spend a few days down there. And picked up Heather from college. And we went out. She wanted to go to Walmart, had to pick up a couple things. And it was so funny, guys. You're going to love this. So I pick her up. She's like, yeah, Dad, I got to stop at Walmart. I got to get a couple things. I'm like, okay. So I pick her up and take her to Walmart. And I wanted to get a couple pairs of jeans. So I picked up a couple of pairs of jeans. And then she, hello, girls. Look at poor Red. Poor Red is molting bad. All her feathers are falling off. So we're going to look in here and see if anybody's in a nesting box or not. Oh yeah, we got one of the girls is in a nesting box. We're not going to go back there and disturb them. But I was going to show you two in here again. It's settling down now, the wood pine shavings. So that's doing well. What I'm just going to do then from this point on, I won't clean this out until the spring. But what I'll do occasionally, I'll grab like a couple more bales. Do you want to get into a box? Is she in the box you want to be in? Well, tell her. Tell her, say, get out of my box. So anyway, I'll just add to it throughout the winter, so it gives them that extra layer of protection underneath them and stuff like that. And what we are going to do is, I'm going to show you out here. Alright, I got this extra plywood and stuff. We're going to basically take that and just cover up underneath here so there's no draft that gets underneath. And I think with the 2 pieces on each side, it's going to be more than enough. And then I'll just screw it in to the base down here. And then that way, and then I'll show you the other side. We'll do it here as well. And then I'm just going to screw it right into the base again, so that way they have that protection over the course of the winter. It doesn't have the, it's not going to blow underneath the chicken coop. So that's what we're going to do with that. But yeah, so that's what's going on. Like I said, I haven't really done anything yet today. I'm going to tell you right now, I'm going to turn this around and show you. It is gorgeous. It's like 68 degrees. We're about 2 o'clock in the afternoon. And I'm going to go for a bike ride, because the weather's going to turn to crap here really, really soon. I'll get this video up for you guys. I may make another one a little bit later. But, and the puppies I just took in, they have been out, oh my goodness, I'm trying to think how long. I put them out here at 8 o'clock this morning, and I literally just brought them in, so they were out here for like 6 hours. Because like I said, I was gone, but Grandma was home, so I just said keep an eye on them, make sure they're okay, and they were fine. But, yeah, so that's it. I'm going to take somebody's suggestion, just so you guys know too, in the comments. They had said that little bit of extra gravel that's left, I might get 2-3 wheelbarrows full out of what's still over there. I'm going to run it around the side and around the back of the chicken coop, so that we don't walk in mud as we go around the back. So that is the game plan. So anyway, so that's what's going on today. Some wonderful gifts, and again, to the person that sent this, thank you so much. You have no idea. And like I said, we got a big surprise coming here later on, and when it gets here I will show you guys. Absolutely amazing. But I'm really excited about getting set up with my aquaponics system. It's going to be very, very cool, and we're going to have our hands full. It's going to be a busy winter setting everything up and stuff like that, but it's okay. Hopefully we can get growing over the course of the winter. I don't know if we're going to... If I can get the geothermal in before the snow flies, then yes, we will be able to grow this winter. If not, I may have to wait for the spring to do the geothermal, but we will put the greenhouse up, and that means we will be growing early this next year. I'll probably start seeds in like February in the house, and then have them out there in the greenhouse by March if that's the case. But, we will get things all squared away, and it'll get done. It's going to get done. But eventually we will have geothermal for the greenhouse, and but that's okay. It'll all work out. It's going to come together. Right, Ma?
Right.
So, I told her she could relax today. Like I said, I've been working her like a Hebrew slave, so that's good for her. Builds character. Got to get every ounce of work out of her I can before she drops dead on me.
Nice.
And please, guys, know that I am absolutely kidding when I say that. I love my mom very much, and I plan on having her around for many, many years.
And I'm going to be here.
Yes, she will be. So, all right. So, beautiful day. Great solar day. So far, we've already pulled in 4.7 kilowatt hours already, and again, it's only 2 o'clock, so we will definitely go above 5 kilowatt hours today, which is great. So that's what's going on, and just a really good day. So I got a lot of butter, guys. I'm not running out of butter anytime soon, which is awesome. That's like unbelievably cool. So anyway, remember, guys, we are all in this together. That is important to remember. Also remember to hug and kiss the ones you love. Tell them every single day. Tomorrow is not guaranteed. We never know what's going to happen. Also remember, guys, STD. It's one step at a time, one thing at a time, and one day at a time. Whatever you're trying to do, whatever you're trying to accomplish, you can do it. The only one that can stop you from getting there is yourself. That's it. Nobody else can stop you. So, Mom, say goodbye. And we will see you guys later. Have a great day. Prepper Nurse 1, out for now.